There's narrative saying it's going to take all the jobs, and there's narrative saying that it's going to destroy everything, humanity, culture, everything. There's one that's on the opposite, saying that it's our savior. It's gonna fix everything. We're gonna be in a utopia, right? It's everything's gonna go to, you're gonna have a base income. You won't have to work because it'll do everything. There's these two extremes happening. But one thing I can tell you for sure, like, I'm not gonna sit here and predict the future or what's gonna happen. I don't know. But what I do know for sure is it's not gonna go away. Everybody agrees with that one. No matter whether you're on the far doomer side or the utopian transhumanism crazy side, both these extremes, the one thing they all agree on is it's not going away. And once you use it, especially if you integrate it into a real workflow, you realize how useful it is and why they're saying, why there's these two extremes, how powerful it is. I think the answer lies in the middle. And so I arrived at my conclusion that I need to do this because I can see how useful this is to humanity. I enjoy using it. It's really cool and stuff. But beyond that, the functionality is what really made me realize, okay, and it should be the same thing. I think that if you're really trying to get into IT or trying to figure out, like, where should I go? What should I do with my degree path, or what specialization should I do, or what certification or whatever? One thing to consider is how useful it's going to be to humanity, to people, to businesses, to whatever. Beyond just what you want to do, think about how useful it is and how much in demand it is right now and how much it's going to be in demand. You got to consider those things. And in this case, this made me realize the money, of course, is a factor, right? But it's beyond that, because it's, I can see how they're using it here. What they're doing is they've integrated AI throughout their entire environment. They're allowing people in their a secure environment. They're allowing people to make their own apps within the environment. They're allowing people to be able to create things within their environment that have a AI component to it. And so they want somebody to come in there and make sure it's remains secure, even though that there's these community projects within their network. They have several different types of AI in the environment. That they have software as a service that has AI enabled capabilities that they want you to protect. They have AI related events happening. They got runtime agents going. They've got all kinds of stuff happening in this environment. And it made me realize this right here is the future of how organizations are going to run, are going to do their business. And this, without revealing anything, this organization right here that they got the contract for, it's really big. It's a pivotal part of infrastructure, and who do cutting edge stuff with technology. When virtualization came out, they were on it. When cloud computing came up, they were on it. When you name it, they're on the cutting edge. These organizations are on the cutting edge. And that, case in point, here they are diving into headlong into AI. This is the future. This is where things are going. And in the current job I have right now that I got into because I have been using AI and putting it on my resume, I got selected because I know some of this stuff.